Welcome to J&J's test video of 9665. This is a 96 Impala SS. Let's see if it does it. Fuel injection for the win. Let's get out there and see what we got. It's a pretty nice car. One time has a custom interior, but it's laid down the side. Sounds like it's got a little cam to it. Got a set of headers on it. True mileage is unknown. I'm not sure how many miles are on it. The interior, that's what we're talking about right now. So we'll pull all that out as a set. I'm probably saving the carpet and all that jazz too for it. So let's crawl over the console and see if we can get it in gear. I believe it all works. Oh Lord. Oh, you know what? There's no drive shaft. I remember seeing it when it was rolling, so we're just going to leave it in neutral. All right, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and as always, have your pets spayed and neutered.